Hello, this is AAT section 2.3 Combined Quadratics. So we've been graphing parabolas when they're in the form y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. But here we're going to start looking at parabolas that go sideways. These are not functions because they don't pass the vertical line test, but they're where the y is the squared term instead of the x. This is a x equals, the y is the squared term. The vertex is still going to be called h and k, but be careful. Notice the h and k are switched. This is the now going to be your x coordinate, where before it was the y coordinate. The k is with the y, so the k is the y coordinate. And again, it's the opposite sign of what's in parentheses. The a value is still in front of the squared term, the y squared, and it tells you whether it opens now right or left and how narrow it is. If a is positive, it opens to the right. If a is negative, it opens to the left. Okay, so let's look at these. Here, our vertex is -3, 1. So we got to think it backwards. Y is with the 1, so that's going to be in the y place, and -3 would be the x. Our a value is 2. So -3, 1. We're still going to be able to do over and up, but we're going to switch and go up and over because this is a sideways parabola. Up 1 over a, up 2 over 4a. There it is up there. 9a, 16a, they'd go in a squared representation there. So a is 2, so up 1 over 2, up 2 over 4 times 2, which would be 8. So up from the vertex, up 1 over means to the right, because this is a positive, 2, so there's our first one. From the vertex, up 2 over 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same thing down here. So sideways facing parabola, because that a is positive, like so. So very similar to what we did before, but easy to get mixed up. Vertex, remember the y is what's with y. It's -2, always the opposite sign of what's in parentheses. The x is 4. And our a value is now -3. So it's going to be facing left because this is negative. Okay, so 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, -2. Facing left, we're going to go up 1 over 3. 1, 2, 3, down 1 over 3 as well. If we go up 2, we're going to go over 4 times a, so that'd be at 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All the way over here. So pretty skinny parabola because that a value is 3. So we went up and over, and we went up and down actually from the vertex. 1 over a, 2, 4 times a. And that's why we did -12 going backwards. All right, so next one. Our vertex here, there's nothing with the y, nothing in parentheses, so our y value is 0. The x value is -3. Our a value in front of the squared term is -1. So we're going to go to -3, 0. This means it's going left, opening left, because it's negative. So up 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, and 4 times a would be 2, so down 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times a, up 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times a. There's that one. Okay, pause right here and try D on your own and then check.